बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये रूल 288 का मोशन मूव कीजिए क्वेश्चन आवर और कॉल अटेंशन सस्पेंड करने के लिए। बिलाल कियानी साहब आप मूव कर दीजिए।
I beg to move under Rule 288 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the National Assembly 2007 that the requirements of Rules 18, 69 and 88 of the said rules in respect of matters other than points of order, question hour and calling attention notices may be suspended for today, the 15th September, and for tomorrow, the 16th September 2024.
Now I put the question to the House. The question is that the motion as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the motion may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, the motion is adopted. The House is adjourned to meet again on Monday, 16th September at 12:30 p.m.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।